Say hello to my girls. Say, this is Stella and baby and Ginger. Hi. They make me treats. I put 2.5 cups whole wheat flour in a separate bowl. No need to sift or worry about working the dough to make gluten. Put the flour to the side. Grab yourself another mixing bowl. Add 1/3 cup of pumpkin. Three tablespoons of that organic peanut butter. 2 eggs. Oh wow, a double yolk, look at that, wow. Well, that won't make no difference. It's still the same volume that egg would normally be even with the second yolk. One teaspoon cinnamon, 1 tablespoon honey, 2 tablespoons beef stock or beef broth, this is chamomile peppermint tea. Chamomile and peppermint are really good for dog digestion. There's 2 tablespoons. Now, whisk or use a beater. Now mix the 2.5 cups whole wheat flour until a shaggy, thick dough. You'll probably have to get in there by hand. Time to get messy. Lightly flour your put your dough on. Now this dough is very thick and very tough. So use your muscles, work it. Get it to about 1/2 inch thick. While we're here, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now, with whatever cookie cutters that you have, go ahead and start cutting out some dog treats. Or you don't have cookie cutters, you can always try to freehand. C is for cookie. Pretty good. Now, let's take these, put these in the oven. 350 degrees for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take them out of the oven. Then, put them on a wire rack and let them cool. Put these in an airtight container and they will last 7 to 10 days. So as you can see with the taste test, it's a yes. From my family kitchen to yours, thanks for watching.